Welcome to the channel Bike Rider. Today we're diving into the exciting world of adventure motorcycles with the 2011 Yamaha Tenere 700. This legendary bike continues to raise the bar for adventure riders around the globe. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Tenere 700 such a standout choice for off-road and long-distance enthusiasts. Engine and performance. The 2025 Tenere 700 is powered by a 689cc parallel twin engine, known for its reliability and smooth power delivery. It produces around 73 horsepower, which is more than enough to tackle both highway speeds and challenging off-road terrain. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, offering seamless shifting for a dynamic riding experience, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating tight trails. Design and ergonomics. Yamaha has kept the design of the Tenere 700 rugged yet refined. The bike features a high, wide fuel tank that provides a generous range for long-distance touring, while the ergonomics are designed to ensure comfort during long days in the saddle. The adjustable seat height accommodates a variety of rider sizes, making it accessible to both shorter and taller riders. Suspension and handling. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Tenere 700 is equipped with a fully adjustable suspension system. The front features a 43mm wide fork while the rear is fitted with a monoshock, both offering excellent travel for absorbing rough terrain. Whether you're tackling rocky trails or muddy paths, this suspension system provides the control and comfort you need. Technology and features. The Tenere 700 continues to impress with its advanced features. The new 2025 model includes an updated digital display, offering clear and concise information about speed, fuel levels, and trip data. It also comes with a revised ABS system, offering improved off-road capabilities by allowing riders to disable rear ABS when needed, ensuring better control on loose surfaces. Durability and build quality. Yamaha is known for producing durable motorcycles, and the Tenere 700 is no exception. With a robust steel frame, durable bodywork, and high-quality components, this bike is built to endure the toughest conditions. Whether you're crossing deserts, navigating mountain trails, or tackling muddy paths, the Tenere 700's solid construction ensures that it can handle whatever you throw at it. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 is the ultimate bike for adventure riders seeking performance, reliability, and versatility. With its powerful engine, outstanding suspension, and thoughtful design, it's no wonder that the Tenere 700 has earned a loyal following. If you're an adventure enthusiast looking to take your riding to the next level, the 2025 Tenere 700 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Catch you in the next one.